I'm finally working on this stacker here, and I got the exhaust manifold off, but I broke off the bolts inside on that one, and that one, and that one, and they snapped off just inside. I don't know. I tried to blow that one out with a torch, but it didn't work so good. And the easy out snapped off in that one, and that one is just drilled through. So that could have went better, but I haven't done too much with the brakes yet. I think it's the master cylinder for the brakes that's bad, so if I can get one of them ordered. And I guess these hydraulic motors are 2 to 3 weeks out to getting one. I can run with it like it is, just kind of slower, but I'll have to get those two coming. This has got the Ford 460 engine on it, and I'm trying to pull the intake manifold off now, and I'm pretty sure I got all the bolts out, but that thing will not pop loose. I got quite a bit of tension on that, and yeah, she ain't moving at all. I tried putting screwdrivers in the corners. I don't know what else to do. I'm not that good at gas motors. I don't ever really deal with them. This is really the only thing I have with a gas motor, so I don't know a whole lot about them. But I cannot get that thing to break loose. I don't know if there's hidden bolts underneath the valve covers here or what. Well, we got some progress, finally. There was 2 hidden nuts on that intake manifold, but got the intake manifold and the head off. Yeah, there's the head, and I don't remember what those are called, push rods. Yeah, there's like stuff built up right here. I don't know what it is or what it was, but there was a nut, a stud coming through the bottom, and a nut on top, and we couldn't see him. I had to chip all this stuff away, whatever it was or is. But yeah, if you're having any problems with a 460 on a stacker, and there could be extra ones right there if you gotta take the intake manifold off. But got all the pieces out here, and we'll take it to get fixed in the morning. We'll have this cleaned and adjusted and get this cleaned real good. And hopefully we can get her together and going again. Finally. We're about a week off from cutting wheat, so we'll be baling straw, and we need to get moving on this. Well, we took that pieces to the engine repair shop this morning, and they looked at them over, and they said we should probably pull the other head, just get them both done at the same time. So I didn't take any video of pulling the right side, so I'll take a video of pulling this left side here. So we just got all our spark plug wires numbered so we don't lose track of where they go, and on the distributor cap. And we'll start taking the exhaust off, and we'll pull this shield off over the head, pull the spark plug wires, get this out of here, take the valve cover off, and I think we're just going to pull the head with the exhaust manifold still attached to it. So we will get going here. So I'm going to take the exhaust off the bottom of the exhaust manifold now. That's pretty amazing that came off. And those are hot. Oh, hey, that one's no good anyway. Pop the oil fill off. Then we'll take these out and get this throttle cable off the head here. And there's my wrenches way over there, obviously. Going around this radiator is a lot of fun. Alright, got that. I could probably use a bigger impact, but whew, that is very tight. Oh, I got it. She ain't got enough for that one. I'm thinking on that side. Driver's side. Oh, that was way easier than I thought it was going to be. There's some fluids coming out.
I see that.
Alright, okay. Yeah, see, I just couldn't do that by myself.
Yeah, I get that.
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
I take it that coolant's not supposed to be there.
Who knows? Oh, that's heavy.
Yeah, it is kind of heavy.
Pinch of shit on my finger there. Is there a rag over there?
Oh, not a good one.
Anyone at this point?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, gonna bust it.
You need another one?
No.
So you've been having a lot of fun working on this? You see?
It's so fun. Yeah, I snapped off 3 of these on this side. Well, I actually snapped 4, but I got 1 out.
Hell no. So now she's gonna run real good when she comes back, right?
I got put together, so she
Plus
might
the-
run.
But at least as good as before.
Yeah. Well, it's got to run better than that because one of the spark plug wires was burned off on that side. I never even knew it.
That's
And
not
2 of
gonna
them
help.
were burned off on this side.
They're on the 5-cylinder. That's bad. See, that's probably part of your issues.
I'm going to try to get this intake manifold off. I think I'm going to need a bigger impact. One. That one's about ready to break off. Well, that one snapped off. Probably shouldn't have had been weight on it. So, I'll get this in the back of my truck and we'll take it to the machine shop tomorrow, get that bolt out. That's gonna be it for today, and we'll get this hopefully fixed and get it put back together in the coming days. So, alright, see ya.